Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't know why I kept the hair clips. My ears. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Body Shop Advent Calendar. This one here is the deluxe size and the price of it is 90 euros. We have 24 products in this beautiful box. I have also unboxed the small Body Shop Advent Calendar. I'm gonna have a link in the description box below so you can find it easier. Also subscribe so you can get notified for the new Christmas videos. They have captured the Christmas spirit on their packaging. It is adorable. It is a very heavy Advent calendar and this is how it looks inside. I love the beautiful boxes and that they are different. All of the designs are super festive, Christmassy, beautiful. And let's find the first one. It's this one in the corner. I have no clue what we have. It has some socks. Maybe it is a foot scrub. I don't know. Let's see. This one here is a hand cream and it is in the shade scent coconut. It says it contains cold pressed virgin coconut oil from Samoa, Polynesia, and this is 30 milliliters. I think this is the full size. I actually like this scent a lot, so I'm gonna keep it for myself. And oh my god, this smells so good. It has a very nice non-artificial scent of coconut. I have tried the Shea hand cream. I like that it is very fast absorbing, so I'm very happy that I have this scent now because I like it. And let's see where box number 2 is. It's not very heavy. I'm gonna say a nail file. And we have, oh, a sheet mask. So this one here is the Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. It is enriched with Vitamin C rich Camu Camu from the Amazonian rainforest, Peru. After 15 minutes, grumpy skin feels hydrated, awakened and healthier. And this sheet mask is biodegradable and suitable for all skin types. Okay, I'm very curious about this product. In the small advent calendar, we didn't have any skincare, so I'm super excited for this one. I really like that this is biodegradable. I love it. And door number 3 is somewhere here. Oh, it's here. The box is just so pretty. This one is fully packed. I'm guessing that we have some type of clothing, maybe a hair towel. I don't know. Oh, we have one of these. We have a beautiful loofah here, and we also had one in the small Body Shop Advent Calendar. I'm going to keep it for my husband. And box number 4 now. Oh, it's very thin. Okay, that sounds like a nail file for sure. Let's see. Ta-da! And this is a nail file. It says, I like the way you smooth. And on the other side, give me a hand. I have exactly the same and I'm gonna keep it for a giveaway. Something that you guys told me is that you can actually peel off the first layer of the nail file and you can still keep using it. So it is like having 2 nail files or 3. Not very sure. And now box number 5. Here it is and it is super cute. I'm gonna say a lip balm because it is very small and I think that's the correct weight for a lip balm. And we have a lip balm. This one here is the lip butter in coconut. It smells amazing. And I'm gonna keep this for a giveaway because I already have it. And let's find now box number 6. I think this is a shower gel. Let's find out. I'm on a roll. And this one here is a mango shower gel. We have 60 milliliters. This one is a mini size. This isn't one of my favorite scents. So let's continue with box number 7. I'm guessing that this one is a full size body cream. Oh my god! This is a full size. And this is the Banana Truly Nourishing Shampoo for normal to dry hair. And this is a scent that my husband likes, so I'm gonna keep it for him. And box number 8, so adorable with this snowman. This one looks like a lip balm and it's not. This one is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. We have 15 milliliters. I'm guessing this is a mini size. and it's the first time that I have seen this product. The scent is a little bit different. It is intense and also fresh. I'm very excited that we got skincare in this advent calendar. And day number 9. Do you think this is a hand cream? And we have the hand cream, and this one here is the shea hand cream with handcrafted shea butter. We also had this one in the small advent calendar, so this is mine. The scent of it is just ethereal. It smells so good. And box number 10. Oh my god, it's super cute. I'm gonna say shower cream. Yeah. And we have a shower gel. This one here is a pink grapefruit shower gel. We have 60 milliliters, and I'm not gonna keep this one. I don't like this scent. Maybe my mother is gonna like it, so I'm gonna keep it for her. And box number 11 with this gingerbread cookie, and it's weird. I'm gonna say a bath bomb. Yeah, yes, let's do this. And it is, oh my god, found it. This one here is a coconut bath bubble. It is coconut fragranced. Oh my god, day number 12 is gonna be amazing. It looks like a full size. I'm gonna say a shower cream. Nope. This one here is the gentle eye makeup remover with calming chamomile extract from Norfolk, England. And this is a full size. We have 250 milliliters. Full size. This one is suitable for sensitive skin, so you can definitely use it. I'm super excited, and I also want to sniff it a little bit. It has a very light chamomile scent. I'm very excited to try this one. And box number 13, I think we have a shower cream. I have said it 3 times. And we have, oh, it's different. This one here is the vitamin E moisture cream for all skin types. Oh, it smells so nice. This one says that it has a lightweight formula. It can lock the moisture on your face for all day, but it doesn't have any SPF. So you also need to use some SPF with this cream. And day number 14 here. It sounds like a lip balm. Nope. This one is the Nicaraguan Coffee Intense Awakening Mask. We have 15 milliliters, and I'm super curious to smell this one because it says coffee. It has such a nice scent of coffee. It smells delicious. So we have 15 milliliters of product. I'm guessing that it is a mini size, but I'm not very sure. I'm loving the variety of this advent calendar. And day number 15 is very big. Oh my god. I'm gonna say again a shower cream until I find it. Nope. Wrong again. And this one is the Banana Truly Nourishing Conditioner for normal to dry hair. And we have 250 milliliters. This is a full size. So my husband is gonna have conditioner for all year. And moving on to day number 16. I'm gonna say a face scrub. Oh, that's different. This one is the strawberry body butter. I have used the other body butters that I got in the small advent calendar, and I actually love them. The consistency is perfect for my very, very dry and sensitive skin. You know what time it is? Sniffing time. And oh my god, it smells so nice. This one here is the mini size. Actually, I have here the full size of this product. This one is 50 milliliters, and this one is 200 milliliters. This is one of my favorite scents of this product. Day number 17. That sounds like a nail file again. This one is the matte lip liquid. This is in the shade 34 Nairobi Camellia. Oh my god, it looks like a full size. I'm so excited. I have never tried Body Shop makeup products. Fail. And let's try to open it like this. The packaging is super cute. And let's see the applicator. Okay, it looks fine. It has like a bubblegum scent. Also a little bit like a paint thinner. The formula is very, very soft. The color is gonna look amazing on everyone. It is a universal color. It's very nice to have this in the advent calendar. So box number 18. This one here is fully packed. Oh, I'm gonna say a sheet mask. Ta-da! found it. And this one here is a vitamin E quench sheet mask. This one is enriched with natural origin hyaluronic acid. After 15 minutes, thirsty skin feels hydrated, softer and smoother. Also, this one here is biodegradable and suitable for all skin types. This product is perfect for very cold days of winter. So box number 19 is somewhere here again. This is noisy and it sounds like a shower gel. I'm right. And this one here is the British Rose Shower Gel. We have 60 milliliters and I'm very curious to sniff it. Oh, it smells so good. This one smells exactly like a dessert that we are making in Cyprus. It is called mahalepi. We are using rose water and that's why it smells like this one. Oh, memories. Box number 20 is very silent. I have no clue about this one. And it is a lip butter. I was so close. We also had this one in the previous advent calendar. It is this one here. So I'm gonna keep this for a giveaway. And let's find door number 21. Oh, it is a bath bomb. Ta-da! And we have here the pink grapefruit bath bubble. It is pink grapefruit fragranced and I think it's very strong for me. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Day number 22. I don't know what we have in this one. And it is the Vitamin E Gentle Facial Wash with protective vitamin E and moisturizing wheat germ oil. This one is a full size and you can use it for all skin types. And let's find box number 23. I have no clue. And we have... Oh my god, what is this? It is a hairband. It is adorable. I'm gonna wear it and try to see how it looks on me. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't know why I kept the hair clips. My ears. This one is very well made. I don't see any threads and it looks very nice. Moving on to day number 24. Okay, that's weird. It feels like a lot of nail files. This one here is the Seaweed Balance Sheet Mask. It is enriched with mineral-rich seaweed from Roaring Water Bay from Ireland. After 15 minutes, oily and combination skin feels hydrated, mattified and refreshed. Let's continue with day number 25. I actually forgot that this advent calendar has 25 products, not 24. I ruined a little bit the box. So this feels like a full size, definitely. It is heavy. I'm gonna say a body scrub. We also had these little things. And it is one of my favorites, yes! This one here is the Almond Milk and Honey for sensitive and dry skin. It is the soothing and restoring body butter. And this is a full size. I have showed you before mine here, which is almost empty. I absolutely love the variety of this advent calendar. The only negatives that I can say are that we have 5 single-use products and 8 minis, and that's why I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4.5 stars. I really liked this one, and let me know in the comments what do you think about this advent calendar. You can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!